Alright, me and Chong are on our morning run, and I wanted to say thank you to pretty much everybody because I have gained subscriptions and I did not think that would happen. And I appreciate everybody for making things happen for me. And probably at the end of today, at some point, when I get through my work day, I am going to be most likely streaming. So, and probably I do miss painting, so I'm probably going to paint a little bit today too. And I hope everybody's having a great day. I'm tired. I gotta work for 12 hours today. And I did get my boots yesterday, so I was excited about that. Okay, I took off my glasses. But yeah, I got my shopping done, and I think I'm ready to stay at home and rest and do other things. I'm gonna hold this camera this way. And I got my vitamin E oil. My hair's not so crazy today. That I'm excited about. And I do recommend this for people's hair because my hair is dry and sometimes likes to stick up. And I just put a little bit in it and wet my hair, and it worked out really well for me. So I do recommend this if you have problem hair. And sometimes I do have problem hair. Things like this happen to people in life. Sometimes you're not blessed with the best hair. So I'm over here waiting for his pee. I never know how long this is going to be, but I do have to go to work. And Mr. Chong, I don't know anymore. He likes to sniff and take his time. But good morning to everybody, and me and Chong will see you guys later. And I hope you guys all have a blessed morning.